Money plays a big role in our lives, and the reason why it is so important is that it provides options for you to live a better life that you choose and put you in control. Having money and being comfortable with finances also gives you freedom and options to decide how you want to live and support the things you care most about in your life. Having money and having financial plan creates more security for you and your family. So, the reason why I made this video is to show you a new way on how to make money online and become financially free. This is something you can do on your computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. And all you need is an internet connection. You just need to click on a few buttons. Then copy and paste some text, and before you know it, you have money coming into your account day after day. Don't worry, you don't need to have any previous experiences or special skills to do this. The best part is that this brand new method is not yet known by a lot of people. This means you're very lucky to be watching this video right now. I highly recommend for you to watch the entire video, as I will be showing you a step-by-step process on how to sign up on several websites in order to make money online. I will also be sharing some bonus tips with you so that you could earn even more money. Now just keep on watching. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Emma, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about this video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once you have found them, then you should be on this page right here. As you can see, here are so many different categories you can choose from. And in here, you can see that how much the sellers are charging for each ebook. Like $249, $399, $4.99, and so on. And here's the number of how many people have left their reviews. These are the same people who have bought the ebook. Now let's do a little calculation on how much money it's really possible to earn when selling ebooks on Amazon. So this ebook is $13.99. and 1,644 have been sold. That is $23,000 in profit. That is a pretty good amount of money, don't you think? Making money just like that doesn't require any experiences or special skills. All you need to do is just copy and paste and use a done-for-you template that I will be showing you in this video. So the next website I want you to go to is this one here, Vism.co. Here you can start creating Kindle ebooks with a professional and high-quality look by using done-for-you templates. Then you can sell those ebooks on Amazon and earn a great amount of money. I will now show you 3 steps on how you can create your ebook and make money with it. Just follow me. Step number 1 is that you need to sign up for a free account. You can do that by just clicking on here. Where's the blue Sign Up Free button? Just click on it. And once you have done that, you will be taken to this page, where you have 3 options to sign up. You can do it with your email address with your Google or Facebook account. If you choose the first option, then just fill in your full name, email address, and create the password, and finally click on Register. Now you have successfully created your account and you can log in. Next step is to log into your new account and start looking for an ebook template. You need to click on the templates in here. And on the right side, select Ebooks. Now you can see a wide selection of done-for-you book templates that look so beautiful and professional. I would now like to share a bonus tip with you. Let's go back to Amazon, where the Kindle ebooks are. As you can see, here are so many categories you can choose from and sell your ebook in. But I highly suggest for you to focus on this category here, health, fitness, and dieting, as this is the most profitable. It has the lowest competition, and that's why you will make the most money from it. This now means that you would need to be looking for a template that is suitable for health and fitness category. When looking around a bit, I think that this one will work for us. You can also see the preview of it to see how it looks inside. It looks very professional, and it's just what we need. A magic topic, fitness and healthy lifestyle. Talking about calories, staying fit. About the diet plan, and so on. As you can see, this is a finished ebook that has a lot of information in it. You can just simply copy and paste it. Now just click on the Use this template in here. After that, you will be taken to this new page where you can make changes on the ebook. If you like, you can remove or add pictures. Also modify, add or remove some text. Change the color or resize it. You can also add your name on the ebook. Or, if you want, you can use a nickname. And once you think you are done with the editing, then you can go to here and click on this button, where it says Download. And the ebook will be saved to your device. And you can do this all right from your computer or smartphone. So, the next website I want to show you is freeplrdownloads.com. This website has thousands of ebooks that you can choose from and then download to your computer. And here on the left side, you can see all the categories they have. I would just click on the health here. Then you will be taken to this next page where you will see hundreds of ebooks under the health category. For example, let's choose this ebook in here. After clicking on it, you will be taken to this page. When scrolling down a bit, you'll see this blue button here where it says Download. Just click on it. After downloading it, you can go back to Amazon and start selling it there and make a good amount of money. Once you have downloaded all the health category ebooks, then you can choose the next category and sell those ebooks on Amazon too. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Here's the final step I want to talk about. Once you have downloaded all the ebooks from Vizmo.co and free PLR download, then go to your browser and fill in kdp.amazon.com. And on this website, you can start publishing your ebooks. It will take less than 5 minutes. You need to sign up for a free account. Click on the sign up button here if you don't have an Amazon account. After that, you will be redirected to this page. Click to this button here. Now you can fill in your name, email address, and create the password. Then click on this yellow button here. You have now successfully created your KDP account. After that, you can start publishing your ebooks to Amazon, where people all over the world can buy them and you can automatically make money of it. Thank you for watching. And that's it. This is Make Money Emma. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.